Kapag nawala ang taong mahal mo, ano ang naidudulot nito? Para sa mabungang buhay, tayo na po't magkapet pandasal. Losing someone you love is a crushing sorrow, a pain we all understand. The gospel story of a mother's grief for her only son mirrors our own experiences of helplessness in the face of loss, like watching a loved one struggle with a terminal illness. In those moments, we are often pushed to rely on God, clinging to a hope for a miracle. Just as a student might witness a dire family financial situation turn around with an unexpected job or inheritance, we too can experience these miracles. These moments of awe spark deep gratitude and renew our belief in a power beyond ourselves, reminding us that even in our deepest sorrow, there is always room for hope. Manalangin po tayo. Panginoon, buksan mo ang aking puso sa mga kagilagilalas ng pagbabago sa aking buhay. At punuin mo ako ng pasasalamat para sa iyong biyaya. Amen.